So let's look at how we scan using the ScanLadder. So the first thing we should note is that everything has been centrally focused on this model. If we centrally focus everything, that brings everything within one or two or maximum a few frames for us to have minimum distortion between the pickup of the position of these anatomically different shapes in each one of these scan bodies at the end, centrally positioned here. As we go on with the pad, the main thing is we want to start off picking up these shapes and moving around the mouth, before then fanning back out along the stretch of each of those scan bodies. Once we've done that, then we're going to roll around and we're going to pick up the edge of the soft tissues before finally making sure that each one of these cylinders is completely captured. So let's try that out, okay? So we're going to start off by picking up the beginning of this centralized focus position before moving around with as minimal amount of frames as possible. And you can see in that position, that's picking up all of those different frames. We then move out over the top of this scan body, come back and move out and fan back across each one of these scan bodies so that this process makes everything really nice and simple and keeps the accuracy with that random surface technology. Once we've done that, we've picked up all the shapes in the middle and we can roll around and pick up the rest of that soft tissue. And if we pick up this soft tissue here, that's going to give us a lovely area for us to be able to tie all these data frames together. The final job is to make sure that we're picking up all of these cylinders that are around each one of these scan bodies. If we pick up each one of these cylinders accurately, then that's going to give the lab all the information that they need to be able to pass on and create us a really nice passive framework. So we're tilting this scanner around, making sure all of that is picked up with no cavities or gaps, and that's nice. If you want to add a little bit more of the soft tissue in places, certainly you can do, which will give us a little bit more information for that data match at the next stage. Other than that, very nice and simple and easy to do workflow, which you can see in that case we did a full arch scan in a minute, and we'll play some videos now to show you this scanning in real time on real life full arches, so you can see how this scans both in an upper arch and in a lower arch.